In your HubSpot account, click the settings icon in the main navigation bar. In the left sidebar menu, click Users and Teams. In the upper right, click Create User. You can add your users in a few different ways, such as you can enter the email address into the Add Email Address field. You may also import users from a CSV file in Excel by adding an email column with the email address of your users, and saving the file in CSV format. In this case, let's add users one at a time. Type the email address of the user you want to invite. If you are adding multiple users at the same time, separate email addresses with a space. Then, click Next. You can set up the permissions for your new users in a few ways. If you've added multiple users, the permissions will be set for all selected users. Permission choices are: Start with a default role, Use a saved role, and Start from scratch. In this example, click Start with a default role. Click Next. Review the full breakdown of HubSpot's permission settings, and navigate through each of the tabs to customize the access for your new users. In Select Template, click the drop-down arrow next to Standard User. Scroll with your mouse, and choose the desired role for the added user. In this case, let's click Standard User. Click Next. Click Next. By default, HubSpot sends an invite email to new users with a link to set their password. If the user has already set up a HubSpot password for another account, to skip sending the welcome email, click the Don't Send an Email checkbox. Review the permissions. Click Send to give the users access to your account. Click Done. How will you now remove a user? To remove a user from your account, click the checkbox next to the user you want to remove. Then, click Remove from Account at the top of the table. You can select more than one user for bulk removal. In the dialog box, click Remove from Account. Once removed, the users will no longer have access to log in to your HubSpot account. That's it. You're done.